There are a lot of beings within this galaxy, and all galaxies throughout the whole universe, in all timelines and dimensions in between, that went through a similar process like our beautiful home planet, Gaia. What can I become? She asked, curious about where life would take her. A blue pearl in the vastness of space that has the ability to transform energy into matter, that has the ability to assist souls in forming a body so they can experience themselves in the form of a human, or a stone, or an insect, or simply a flower. All of them have missions or jobs, like humans would say, to help Gaia to grow and expand into what she is meant to be. Some of them save and capture energy in the form of electromagnetic waves throughout the energy grid that flows through the whole pearl, receiving and transmitting information in the form of so-called light codes. The others are the guardians of the garden, because they plant the seeds of creation, like the plants, the insects, and the bacteria. A lot of those beings originate in different galaxies. A rose, for example, carries the information of a whole galaxy within it. And through connecting with these beings, insects, trees, or a flower, we can connect to the original core frequency of the galaxy they came from. And therefore, we can receive all the codes that are stored within it. Mother Earth is kind of a big reservoir for endless species and life forms that originated somewhere else, but their core frequency or the original coding is compatible with that of the Earth. We are the Earth. We are Gaia. She gave us a form in this world so we can express ourselves. The Galactic Confederation of Light is a collective of beings coming from all sorts of places within the whole universe. They take care of the balance in this universe and all dimensions in between. They know that everything emerged from one original spark, and they also know that everything is interconnected and that everything influences everything. Carrying all that knowledge, they also knew that at some point Gaia would go through a big shift in consciousness that would ripple through the fabric of the whole universe in all dimensions that are interconnected. The Confederation consists of many beings throughout the whole universe from all sorts of stars and star constellations in all galaxies and all dimensions in and outside of time. Some of them only exist in the subtle realms. And some of them have pushed themselves into matter, like we did. The blue pearl is a true pearl because there's only one of her here in the space-time continuum. The seeds and species that have been planted grew into this beautiful, interconnected superorganism that is constantly growing and evolving. Like all the dimensions, all the species living on this planet are interconnected. Some of them depend on each other. Some of them intermixed, and new species were created. The pearl is a true original that cannot be replicated. So many seeds have been planted. She is not only a home, and the home of endless life forms. She is a goddess. She has power. She has desires, and she has a will. And she loves her children, every single one of them. From the greatest tree to the smallest insect, to every single baby that has been born and that will be born in the future. She loves you. She loves you so much. She loves you. She is loved by a lot of beings throughout the whole universe. But you know how it is. There are these beings that respect and love and nurture, and those that abuse and exploit, conscious or unconscious, doesn't matter. That is why the galactic